Auspice One Fund. You want the upside of the stock market. We all do. But equity valuations are high, interest rates are rising, and inflation is a reality. This decade will likely look much different than the last. One way to maintain your equity exposure is to add non-correlated asset classes to your portfolio. Those that may provide a portfolio hedge, making money, offsetting inevitable equity corrections. Auspice has a 15-year track record of delivering just that. Performance at critical times when equity markets are under pressure. The Auspice One Fund is a single fund solution that incorporates sophisticated portfolio construction long embraced by institutional investors. For every $1 invested, $1 goes into a traditional growth portfolio, and $1 is invested in a non-correlated protective portfolio. The traditional growth portfolio is built on a solid foundation of stocks and bonds, maintaining exposure as markets move higher, with a key difference. We combine a passive, ESG-sensitive equity and fixed income portfolio with an active strategy that participates in rising markets while moving to cash when the markets are falling. Gold is also included as it has traditionally had a low correlation to equity and fixed income. The protective portfolio employs rules-based active management rooted in trend following. Trends are determined by quantitative methods, but the concept is simple. Participate in diverse markets, up or down, agnostic to popular opinion. The fund uses global futures contracts on commodities, currencies, and bonds with proven and effective risk management. Efficient portfolio construction, upside opportunity, downside protection, ESG sensitivity. One fund. There is a risk of loss in trading in commodity futures.